welcome to my channel and welcome to what might potentially become my first ever YouTube video and my first ever unboxing video. So I'm gonna unbox the Chuwi CoreBook, which I just received 2 days ago, pretty early. I guess I was a backer on Indiegogo. I bought it I think in August last year, or I backed it back then. Let me also tell you this is entirely unscripted, so please bear with me if there are pauses or, I don't know, I get my tongue in a knot. So first off, I have some experience with Chuwi. I have two other tablets by Chuwi. I think the one is the High 10 or the High 10 Pro, and the other one is last year's Surbook. Just a few words on the Surbook. The Surbook actually could have been a great tablet, like 5 out of 5 really. It looks good, the manufacturing quality is great, the screen is brilliant for a tablet in this price range, which makes it ideal to watch Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video and such. However, it could have also been a great productivity machine, but it isn't, because the accessories, the keyboard and the stylus, are so subpar that it makes it really hard to work on the tablet. I just had it with me during my vacation because I didn't want to take my my Surface Pro. It really failed me when I wanted to write an email. The keyboard, I don't know, the contact seemed to be so sensitive and wobbly that it deleted an email I wanted to write 3 times, which really frustrated me. So you can't really work on it, which is a shame, because it would have been a great productivity machine for students and such otherwise. Well, okay, but enough about the Surbook. Let me just say one more thing. It actually does have some advantages over the Surface Pro, which is, for example, connectivity and battery life. But okay, enough about that. Let's get to the unboxing of the CoreBook. So, let's see. I don't actually expect... I don't actually have very high expectations regarding the CoreBook, mostly because of my experiences with the Surbook, and also, one of the brilliant things about the Surbook was the screen, which I think my Surbook screen is even a little bit brighter than the screen of my Surface 4 Pro. Tough to get at. However, the CoreBook is supposed to have about 100 nits less, so it won't be quite as bright, unfortunately. I do hope, though, that they might have improved on the keyboard, and because the screen is fully laminated, I also hope that the stylus performance on the CoreBook will be better. However, I won't test that today. I might do that in another video if I actually decide to upload this one. Then I might do another one with a little review. I wanted to do that for the Surbook last year, but I was busy and I didn't get around to it, and at some point I just thought, okay, now it's late anyway. Really a missed opportunity, because I think I was one of the first people in the world to receive the Surbook. So let's see. Packaging actually is pretty good. And there it is. It looks like it's well packaged. I'm like I really look at very closely at how things are packaged and if there's already any damage. It looks pretty good. I like it. It has a good size. It does have a fingerprint reader here integrated, Also, the back looks good. The weight, yeah, it's a bit on the heavy side, I would say, but it's not too heavy. Okay, so this is the tablet itself. I do like the color. It's a little darker than the Surbook. Looks a little bit like Apple's, I don't know what it is called, this silver gray color that Apple offers. And I think really, like, while the Surbook was an attempt to replicate the Surface Pro line, then the CoreBook really was an attempt, at least in design, to imitate the iPad. Although, of course, not on software, because it runs on Windows 10. Okay, well, okay. This is okay, like not packaged great, I would say, but whatever. I don't know what's in here. Let's see. Okay, just like, looks like some warranty stuff and maybe a short manual. Here's the pen, which is the HiPen H3, the same that one could order with the Surbook. So I don't really expect too much. Like, honestly speaking, had I known last August when I ordered this that the new iPad would come out with not the iPad Pro, the regular iPad, with Stylus support, then I would have saved the, I don't know, $400 or whatever dollars I paid for this. And would have gotten the iPad instead. I might still sell this, I don't know, I have way too many tablets now, so one should go, and probably it should be the newest one. I hope I can get a decent price for it. But I still wanted to do this unboxing video. It's a little amateurish because it's my first ever unboxing video. So this should be the keyboard. Let's see. Yes, it is, and I think here, yeah, the keyboard is actually not just a keyboard. It's like, what do you call it? It's like a case or a sleeve. Let's see. Looks pretty big, very big actually for now. But okay, there's some padding in there that might make it quite a bit thicker than it actually is. So here we go. This is it. Okay, like the tactile feeling of the keys seems to be better than on the Surbook. And actually, I think Chuwi could have like really improved a lot on the Surbook, and it would be a great machine if they just issued a new keyboard. I would have shelled out $30 or $40 for that just to get a decent keyboard, but because then I could really use it productively. But this seems quite a bit better. Let's see, I hope it will perform better. Okay, so we don't have the kickstand that the Surbook has, and I think that's a shame because that's just a brilliant feature. To have the kickstand integrated into the tablet, it's like a little stroke of genius by Microsoft when they introduced it with the Surface Pro line. Okay, so this is what it looks like with keyboard. So, okay, this actually, if you look here, actually the edge here, I don't know if you can see it well. This edge, okay, is a bit higher than this one, but well, it doesn't really bother me. Probably good for protection. I have to figure out how to use the stand here. That's a bit of a shame. It's weird, it doesn't seem to bend this way. Oh, yeah, it does actually bend this way. Oh, but I had to use quite a bit of force to do that. So, okay, that's it then. So, basically, this imitates the function of the kickstand on the Surface Pro line. Wish it would have been integrated, I think that's much better. But anyway, I will see how functional this is. So just to finish up, I'm gonna boot it up for the very first time. So I'm not sure. I don't think it's right now. I don't think it's as good a concept as the Surbook. The connectivity is way worse. Well, again, I think because the design was focused on imitating the iPad, which is pretty bad in connectivity when it comes to connectivity. The Surbook is great in connectivity, much better than the Surface Pro. But here they had a different focus. I do think they did make a mistake there, though. They should have gone with better connectivity, and even if they wanted to imitate the design of the iPad, they should have used the good stuff from the Surface line here as well. Okay, so this is it for this little unboxing video. I hope it was halfway enjoyable. I think it got quite it's gotten much longer than I intended it to be, so I hope you weren't bored. If I decide to put this online, then yeah, you can leave comments, ask if you want to see anything specific about the machine, and I will, the next week probably, I will get around to use it a bit and see how well it works and whether I can enjoy working with it. Okay then, bye.